Uh, there's always a drawback to defensive technology. For example, an anti-stab vest and anti-stab gloves, they're not designed to stop you getting stabbed or to stop you getting hurt. They're designed to stop full penetration. So the weave within an anti-stab vest, it is still a weave. So if you were to use like a upgrading generator or a generator, an arc generator like this, all you have to do is attach a 3-volt battery to it, and then these two sewing needles, attach that to something so you can stab. The sewing needles are thin enough to go through an anti-stab vest. So that would actually go into the skin, create the circuit, and therefore it would act as a taser. And the anti-stab vest would be completely useless.